सही है, पर तू क्या कहा? सुबह आई ना इसलिए। नहीं, सुबह नहीं, कल शाम को आए थे। बाय। हेलो।
आपका नाम क्या है?
हमारा नाम पूजा।
पूजा। आप दिन में कितना
दिख
पैसा
जाते
earn
हैं,
करती हैं?
घंटा घर में 200-300 रुपये का धंधा हो जाता है।
हो जाता है। आप लोग कहाँ के हैं?
हम उदयपुर के।
अच्छा, उदयपुर के हैं। ओके।
आप भी घंटा घर में जरूर आइए और बैठिए आगे से आगे।
I think this is the shop, Vishwar.
Okay.
You're Ishwar?
Yes.
Hi.
She sent you a mail.
You send me the mail.
I sent you the mail. I'm Rachel.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
I
you.
received your mail. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
This is your shop.
Yes, my shop.
Wow.
Nice collection you have.
That's beautiful
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah. So as we approach you, we are going to cover a workshop with you. You do the tie and dye teaching.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
please.
tomorrow can we meet?
Sure.
We'll come to your studio.
Sure.
I love your shop.
Okay, just visit my shop.
Yeah, I want to come in and take a few videos.
That's mean Padarosa.
Poderosa.
Most welcome inside.
Okay. We can go in the back?
Please.
All right. Oh, wow. I love this.
That's my little store.
Hi.
Hi, welcome. I'm Rajiv Chadda.
Hello, Rajiv.
Hi.
Yeah, Mr. Rajiv Chadda. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Glad to have you here.
She is a Rasul.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm Rajiv.
We
Nice
are
to meet
in
you.
touch with you regarding our blog and
Yes,
about
yes,
our
yes.
particular thali.
Right.
So please tell us where exactly.
Please, I'll show you the way.
Please,
upstairs.
sir.
Please come
Sir.
away.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir, that's all. Sir.
Come. Come. This is the way to the dining hall.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hi.
Good evening. Hi.
Rajiv Chadda.
Yeah, I am really excited about tonight. Thank you so much for having us.
Our pleasure.
Could you tell me a little bit about like how you came to own this restaurant? Did you start it yourself?
Yes, my elder brother, he started it, Mr. Umesh Chandani. It was founded by Mr. Umesh Chandani and Girish Chandani way
Okay.
back in 1991.
Okay.
But early in 1990, we had started with a smaller restaurant in a a la carte manner. This restaurant was started in 2004.
2004. Okay.
So we thought of why not to serve traditional food in a thali.
What is a thali?
Thali is like it is a combination of all the food. It can be traditional one or it can be a mixture of all the traditional foods throughout the country. Like what thing we are serving here is a Marwadi thali. Jodhpur, Bikaner, Jaisalmer, Badmer, Pali, this is a Marwada area.
Okay.
So whatever food is being served and consumed by the people over here, we have tried to bring all in together and serve in a thali.
Okay.
Shall we start?
Yeah, let's start. I'm hungry.
The way we serve the food is we start with the accompaniments that is served first. Like the chutneys and the salad that is put in the thali. And then we serve the starters. First try on the khaman. and the kofta.
Okay, so I dip it.
Yes, open it up. You just break it.
Oh, you
in
break
two.
it.
You'll find bright red color inside.
Wow.
These are beetroot and pomegranate.
That's beautiful. That's delicious. But
Now try the next one, like the dal bati, the famous dal bati. How to eat a dal bati, I'll explain you. A lot of garlic chutney has to be added into it, onions and a dash of lime.
So it's gonna be spicy.
Not very spicy, these are all mediocre spice.
Okay.
If you have to make it hot, then only the garlic chutney, more garlic chutney has to be added.
Wow. Wow.
जो है पसंद आ गई। और राजीव जी ये बतला रहे थे कि दरअसल जो इसका खाने का तरीका है वो ये है कि इसको ऐसे हाथ में निवाला बनाया जाता है और ऐसे
Like that. Okay. This is probably such an American comment, but I feel like this would be really good as like a pasta sauce.
What about this particular khamman dish? What do you think?
I definitely feel the lightness of it, so I can see why it's meant to be had with the chutneys, and when you have it with the chutneys, then like the flavor of the chutney just comes through, like punches you. Yeah, I loved it. What's this white thing?
That is a jaggery, the white purified jaggery.
Jaggery. What is jaggery? I don't know what that
Jaggery
is.
is made out of sugar cane. Now we have to go for the dinner part. So you
Okay.
have to eat the main course. There is a roti which is made of green millet, the bajre ki roti. If you have got an allergy to wheat, then this is an alternative.
Oh wow.
Gluten free.
Gluten free.
Yeah, gluten free.
Very
एक ज़माने
tasty.
में ये गरीबों का खाना हुआ करता था।
गरीबों का खाना
और
कहते
देखिए वक्त कैसा बदला कि आज जो है अच्छे अच्छे रईस लोग मजबूरी में बेचारे बाजरे की रोटी खा रहे हैं या मल्टीग्रेन रोटी खा रहे हैं क्योंकि आपने अपनी आदतें बिगाड़ दी। तो आप भी अपनी डाइट में शामिल कीजिए। तो यहाँ हर तरह का खाना है इस थाली के अंदर। अगर आप में से कुछ लोग ऐसे आएंगे कि जिनको डॉक्टर ने मना कर रखा है कि साहब आप ये नहीं खा सकते, तो आपके लिए
ये भी पर बिल्कुल। No, we come to the other part.
Okay.
Which bread you want to try out first?
Do you have a recommended order or anything?
The bottom one, you just pick it up, take it out, the bottom one. This is a masala paratha again. Thali is, have it with the panchkuta.
Okay.
Now, Kher Sangri or panchkuta, this has got again very good medicinal values. These are all the beans basically hanging out of the tree from the shrubberies, not the tree also exactly, from the shrubs which grow only in the arid area and the deserts. Earlier it used to be of the poor people, now it is, this food is of the rich people.
Do you know? Sorry to interrupt.
This is the
Rajiv
most
ji.
expensive one.
Is
The
it?
most expensive,
Yeah.
now it is out
Among
of,
this whole
beyond the
thali,
reach,
yeah.
beyond the reach of general
Yeah.
public.
So you trained your staff with all this code.
Yes, yes, yes.
तो राजीव
छोड़
साहब
दो।
ने यहाँ बड़े कॉर्ड बना रखे हैं, ये जो 3 उंगलियां करके ऐसा करते हैं इशारा, तो इसका मतलब इनका स्टाफ समझ जाता है कि अब यहाँ केर सांगरी रिफिल कर।
Okay, what's next?
What next? You pick up any bread now. Yes. Again, this is masala paratha. You have it with any of your vegetable. The second vegetable here,
Cottage cheese.
cottage cheese in a gravy and sweet corn. This has got very less spices,
It's sweeter.
sweeter.
I like the way that each one is flowing into each other. The variety is really nice.
Variety, it has to be like we sit in the evening to prepare the menu for the next year. So all the combination has to be considered. Have a bite of the puri. You can start with the puri. See, traditionally the puri, it is best enjoyed with curry and mirchi kuta. Grab one small piece of green chili.
Grab the green chili.
Green chili. And little bit of curry also.
That one might be my favorite.
This
So far.
combination?
The green chili
Yeah.
is out of this world. I like this one, and I love this one. But the green chili,
Out of the world.
it's so tasty. Yeah.
अमेरिका से आई हैं और इनको भी ये टपोरे और कड़ी वाला कॉम्बिनेशन सबसे बढ़िया लगा। ऑफ कोर्स केर सांगरी भी अच्छा लगा, सभी अच्छा लगा, लेकिन इनके लिए भी ये बहुत हैरत अंगेज।
Okay, I guess we're moving on to the last bread.
Yes.
Okay.
Now you enjoy the fourth vegetable which is left there, and the lentil. So the basic ingredient, the gravies, they are of milk or its byproduct. You haven't tried this lentil.
Okay.
The dal, you have to taste this.
Yes.
Though it can be used to have rice also, along with the rice, it can be used.
Okay.
Lentil is everyday ingredient in a platter of an Indian family. The sweet one is the basundi. The best taste in the town. You're not going to get this anywhere. You don't have to be like so eating the thali in a formal way. You just pick up the bowl, put it in your mouth. Have a gulp of this ingredient. The best thing.
Okay. It's like dessert.
It's a dessert and it is served chilled.
I bet this would be really incredible as an ice cream. Can we try this?
Yeah,
little
you
cake?
try this. Yeah, this is.
This is again the dessert.
Yeah.
Sweet. No, it
You-
is
you
made
try the
of
whole piece. You try the whole piece.
almonds.
Of almonds. Okay.
Yeah.
Long shelf life. You don't have to preserve it in a fridge or anywhere. You get the taste of the almonds.
Yeah, you do.
Once you're through with the breads, like we have
Okay.
got 4 more items to be served.
Oh, okay.
Those are the rice and the wheat items. These are the rice items.
Wow.
The plain rice, the steamed rice. Now it's complete.
And this is a symbol, papad.
Now this is papad churi.
Yeah. So in
excited.
Rajasthan, especially in Marwar, papad come, papdi come in the end
In the end.
and
Okay.
scroll.
Okay.
If it is served in between, the Marwadi people, they get very annoyed. Yeah, I haven't finished the thali, and why have you put the papad in between?
So I think we have taken enough time of Mr. Rajiv.
Yeah.
He's damn busy person.
Yes.
No. It has been a pleasure.
Pleasure
sitting
really,
along
Rajiv
with
ji,
you
we are
in
very
fact, and
much
explaining
thankful
the
to you.
things.
Very
Very much
thankful.
thankful to you, and
Very thankful.
especially
Thank you.
I think you will remember this thali in your whole life.
I will. I will absolutely remember this. It made my first time in India, and it made my trip here very, very special.
Thank you.
Something to remember.
Pleasure having you here.
Oh, thank you.
Shukriya.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.